Throughout my career, the approach to software development has evolved significantly. Early methodologies like waterfall often offered a structured, linear process that worked well for projects with clear, unchanging requirements. However, as projects became more complex and dynamic, there was a need for a more flexible approach, which led to the rise of Agile. Agile introduced the idea of breaking down projects into smaller, manageable sprints with the goal of delivering working software quickly. While this flexibility can be beneficial, it's not always the best fit for every project. In practice, Agile can sometimes prioritize speed over thorough planning, leading to challenges in managing long-term projects, goals, and quality. It's important to recognize that Agile is not a silver bullet. It works well in environments where the rapid iteration is crucial, but it also requires disciplined execution to avoid pitfalls like scope creep and rushed work. The evolution has been towards finding the right balance, combining the adaptability of Agile thoroughness of more traditional approaches when needed. One of the biggest challenges with Agile is managing the balance between flexibility and control. Agile's iterative nature can lead to frequent changes in project scope, which might be useful in some scenarios, but can also cause delays and increased costs. This can be particularly problematic when stakeholders expect rapid results without fully understanding the impact of those ongoing changes. To address this, we emphasize the importance of clear communication and setting realistic expectations from the start. We explain the potential downsides of frequent scope changes and ensure stakeholders are aware of how these can affect the project's timeline and budget. Additionally, we often implement a hybrid approach where we use Agile for certain parts of the project while maintaining a more traditional structure for others, ensuring that we have control over critical elements. Another challenge is maintaining a high level of quality while moving quickly. Agile tends to focus on short-term deliverables, which can sometimes result in shortcuts or overlooked details. We tackle this by incorporating best practices like automated testing and regular code reviews to ensure quality isn't sacrificed for the sake of speed. When selecting a development methodology, we consider the project-specific requirements, including its complexity, scope, and the degree of uncertainty. While Agile offers flexibility and quick iterations, it's not always the best choice for every project. For instance, projects with well-defined requirements and minimal expected changes might benefit more from a traditional waterfall approach, which allows for detailed upfront planning and reduces the risk of scope creep. We found that a hybrid model often works best, combining the flexibility of Agile with structure of more traditional methodologies. For example, we might use waterfall to establish a solid foundation with clear requirements and architecture, then switch to Agile for development and testing phases to allow for iterative progress and stakeholder feedback. Lean is another alternative we consider, especially for projects where efficiency is crucial. It focuses on delivering maximum value and minimal waste, which can be particularly effective in resource-constrained environments. Ultimately, the best approach is determined by the specific needs of the project, the expectations of the stakeholders, and the expertise of the team, ensuring that the chosen methodology aligns with the project's goals and delivers the best possible outcome.